In this video, I'm going to show you how to track and import wallets on Axiom Trade. So the first thing you need is an Axiom Pro Trade account, and in case you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now from here, once you have your account, you can click up here where it says Trackers. And from here, over here, you want to click on Wallet Manager on the left, and you can click on Add Wallet. So when you click on Add Wallet, you can add in a wallet address you would like to track. So of course, before you do this, make sure the wallet is actually good. So it's very important to select a good wallet that you would like to track. But for this example over here, I am just going to put in a random tracking address over here that I'm gonna just pull from a random coin over here. There we go. And then you want to give it a name. So you can give it whatever. For example, this we're gonna do example. There we go. And you can then set an emoji if you want to. So let's do this one, for example. And then you want to click add wallet. And just like this, you can start tracking wallets on Axiom. Now you can also import wallets if you want to. So you can just click import over here. And then as you can see, it says paste your exported wallets over here. And you can use either BullX wallet. So you can use the BullX wallet imports, and the Raybot wallet imports are supported as well. So you can just paste your exported wallets here. You can click import, and just like that, you'll be able to import your wallets and then track those as well. As you can see, that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.